Hi guys, my name is Kola. I'm 28 years old. I'm a software analyst and I'm a 10 because I feel like at the end of the day, why would I not be a 10? I'm a calm, responsible, stylish looking guy. I come with a lot of sophistication, a lot of clean boy aesthetics, and at the end of the day, what makes me a 10 is because I'm in the 10th season, so I guess. One thing I will not be caught doing in Biggie's house, besides having sex, is me arguing with a woman. I feel like as a man, women, you can't go back and forth with a woman. So I feel like at the end of the day, you have to show a little bit of respect. If you want to go take a breather, you could do that, but I wouldn't be caught arguing with a woman and going back and forth with her. My relationship status right now is I'm single. I've been on and off a relationship for the past couple of years. She was the love of my life, and I would say right now I'm in that space where I'm open to, welcoming someone else into my life and into my heart. One thing you'll never find of me on Google is sex tapes, nudes, any explicit, pictures, photos, whatever that is. The moment I would say that made me want to be in Biggie's house would be the Saturday night parties. I feel like it was a great time, a lot of people dancing, having a good time and just being in the moment. I would say that was one big moment for me. My 10 in a girl would be somebody who has a lot of sophistication to her. She has class, she carries herself very well. She's very family oriented and she's very pretty in the face, yeah. I'm the one to watch because this season cannot be finished without my name. That house is my house. It's going to be called Kola's house and not Big Brother's house. Big Brother is on vacation anyways, guys, so I'm the one you need to watch right now. I don't think you guys have seen a clean boy aesthetic yet, and I'm about to give you guys a show for that. I would say I'm somebody who loves to have real conversations, deep conversations. I love to connect with people on a deeper level. So if I'm not able to connect with you on that level, then I guess that's who I would nominate. It depends though, just saying, but at the same time, you never can tell who you meet there. But I think that would be my major reason for nominating somebody. And what gets me from 0 to 10, to be honest, is disrespect. I don't like disrespect. I'm not a fan of disrespect, and I don't condone disrespect.